So this is the VideoMic NTG, and words can't really explain like how excited I was to get this microphone. I sat back, I watched videos for like 2-3 weeks about it. I watched videos about this camera that I got. This is the EOS RP, and I love this camera. And I'm trying to get like this whole setup so everything looks like better quality. But part of me was more excited about this because audio, I feel like, is a bigger deal. Like, people will watch things like, say your favorite old movie, for example, you'll still watch things that doesn't have like top-notch video quality because like the content is really good and the audio is very important. It still sounds good. I was still excited about this camera and its video capabilities. The microphone is really what I was most excited for. Now, keep in mind, the audio that you're hearing right now is coming from the built-in microphone on the camera. I bought this because it's supposed to block out all the outside noise and only focus on my voice. Right now, it's not a whole lot of background noise just because like I'm here at my desk inside, but say I was outside somewhere where you have like kids running around and birds chirping, cars passing by, that's when this would really come into play. But regardless, inside the house or whatever it is, the situation, it's supposed to just like focus on whatever's in front of it and produce a very crisp sound. Now, this video isn't to make like an in-depth review of this microphone. It's to help other people that may have the same issue with this. So let me go ahead and show you an example of what it sounds like with this microphone, how I got it out of the box. So this is me recording from the actual video mic, and some people refer to it as a hiss, some people call it white noise, some people call it like static, whatever you want to call it, whatever terminology. It doesn't sound good. Now, this is what it sounds like with the microphone settings altered. So I turned down the volume on the actual camera, and then I turned the volume up on the actual microphone, and that's what got me this sound. Now, personally, it does sound a lot better. Like, the white noise did go down a little bit, but I still need to go like edit some in post, which I'm still not super happy about. Because when I used it on my laptop, when I used the actual microphone on my laptop connected through USB, then it sounds completely crispy clear. So hopefully this helped somebody out. I'm gonna go in the computer and try and see if I can edit it a little bit through Premiere Pro and see if I can get like the audio sounding a little bit better. But this is kind of just what I'm getting right now. Anyway, I didn't really want to make this like a long video or anything. I'm really just trying to help out people that may have had the same issues as me. So if this did help you out at all, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content going forward. If you want to follow me on my main Instagram page, I have it up here, and my photography page to see what I've been working on as far as photography. You can follow me on this one. Other than that, y'all have a blessed day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.